Imagine if you just like nutted milk.
It'd make breakfast a bit awkward.
Feel
Awkward
good,
or convenient?
Well, it depends. Are you having it at work?
then everyone would have breakfast in the morning, right?
I love it when my dad brings me breakfast in bed. Oh no. Bro, off, man.
I'm so scared right now, you shut up!
I'm sure.
Oh my god. He's got whacked by the log.
By a log that was doing not even a meter a bloody hour, bro. Just without a yeah, without an instructor. Choo-choo! All aboard, boys.
Hang on,
How many people can you get on this?
A lot. I've seen it in creative. You can have like up to 30 odd people.
Bro, could you imagine if you just did this through like Mega City or something and everyone just joined in? Pick number 3, me lord. You ever seen that video of the Lord Farquaad laying in bed watching Fiona on the mirror?
Yeah, and he like looks down.
He pops a fat chub. I bet he made some condensed milk. What was that moan?
that was
Nothing.
Condensed milk.
7, 6, 5, 4,
No!
3, 2, 1.
I hate this game.
He did it! He made it through the first part! Let's go!
No! It's so hard
It was at this moment that he knew.
to tell the difference,
We're gonna get.
Oh, we're going around a big corner. Oh, sheesh!
Going uphill, boys.
This is Nigel's character arc. He's like having his own moment here.
I'm smiling.
Silly Rob.
It's got it.
Gay fart lovers are us. That's the kind of crowd I want.
What?
I went to eat a chip, it didn't go in my mouth, and now I look like a idiot.
Clip it.
Can you open that window over there, Jackal?
Sure. He's in here. He's right here.
Scourge doesn't actually strike me as the kind of money who would spend money if he didn't need to. So, I don't know.
Yeah, I see that.
Scourge wouldn't even buy a fart in a bag if it was from Belle Delphine. Like, brother.
I would. No, I wouldn't actually. No, that's
No,
right.
it's too late. It's too late. You said it now. You said it now. Over the hill. Oh, zigzags. Oh, God.
If we see people, we're just gotta stay in the train phone.
We'll never
Train
break
mode.
the train. And if you don't love me now, something about that again.
Is that?
No one.
I thought it said the seaman sharpshooter, but it's the seaman sharpshooter. I was like, Jesus. Skin's wild out of here, man. Breakfast in bed.
Oh, beautiful. We can get to the zone easy. We don't even have to get off.
Yeah, no stops on this train, boys.
All staying in my head.
Oh, we got a little bridge and everything, too.
We're sweet.
She loves her cowboy hat so much. She's sleeping with it on.
I'm gonna put odds on that she hates it.
I think
That
she
was a
likes
prick to
it.
kill me. Oh! Clip that.
Oh! I'm scared him. Oh! Chug cannon, chug cannon.
Cat. That's the fattest cat ever. There was 4 squads left. I killed 1 dude, and then all of a sudden there's still 3 people alive. The game's lying to me. Yoinkers.
I'm actually so depressed over that.
Claim.
But that's
You can't
fine.
be now. You can't be now because I
That's
claimed
fine.
Oh,
it. Oh.
we're getting closer.
Oh, the moment of truth. For all of us.
There we go, I'm on. He's on the roof, he's on
He's
the roof.
looking, he's
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
looking, he's looking. That's toxic, bro. Bro,
I love
we
how they go
tried
for
to be
me
friends.
first.
Yeah. So there's only 2 left. And what, 1's down. And they're in the storm, right there, chasing after Nigel. Boom! And boom! Oh my goodness!
Oh